guys, welcome back. I really want to do that bloom in the beachy colours that I haven't been able to do with my two boxes that I did. I can show you the box, but the tile is still wet. Well, two tiles are still wet, the blue one and the turquoise one that I've done. So I haven't got any more of those little tiles left, so I'm just going to use my big tile. It's a 8-inch square, 20 centimeters. You look as if you're wobbling off there. Let me check. Where's my little leveler? I think it's okay. I'm just trying to feel underneath to make sure that it's centered. I put my fingers in there and I think, yep, that's about equal distance. It looks pretty good. So I'll go with that. Close enough, hey? I have got, so I'm going to do the bloom. I've got this tan colour for the beach. It's called Skin Tone Base. And I've got aqua. And then I've got aqua mixed with a little bit of phthalo blue to get that colour. So it's a bit of a difference. And then I've got navy, which is phthalo blue with a blob of black. They're all Jo Sonjas. 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. And then I'm thinking of adding a little bit of grey. Yeah, just a little bit of grey. I don't know. We'll just see how it goes. I think it'll look pretty. Hopefully my beachy colour will come through because it was lost on both those pours that I did. I lost the beachy colour. So we'll try again. Righto. I've got my blower with my little medicine cup on top. So he's ready to go. I've got my pillow paint. Pour that out. Make sure there's no dust on there. I think this is getting a bit empty now. Just pour some of this out. Put a puddle in the middle, because that's where my puddles of paint are going to go. Right, I think I'm going to start with the sandy colour. And then we'll go with some navy and aqua. And some grey. Not sure how the grey is going to go in there, but I'm going to do it anyway. And then some more the beige. And then this turquoise and some more navy, a little bit more of the beige. Oops, not too much of it though. Right, that'll do, I think. Hopefully the sandy colour will show through this time. And my cell activator's 2 to 1. I don't know if I told you that. 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part Amsterdam Titanium white. Don't use too much. Flow straight down into the white. And then turn and push the white out over the top of the other colours. Like so. Oh, that's very sandy. One extreme to the other. I did want sandy, don't I? Didn't I? This is tipping. I don't think it's level. Right, so let that sit for a minute. I don't know. I have problems with this sand colour. It either doesn't show up at all or it takes over. I think its problem is that it's an opaque colour. So it doesn't allow other colours to come underneath it, I should say. It kind of sits on top. I hope I don't have trouble getting paint over here. All right, let's just spin this baby and see what happens, hey? don't need my big doggy pool because I'm not spinning from a height. I haven't got my big cake stand underneath. I've only got this little guy, little pink one that I got from eBay. And you can get away with just using a puppy piddle paddle like this. See, it doesn't go very far when you spin. And the other way. So you can get away with not getting your big doggy pool out. Right, what do we think? What do we think? See, the beige just takes over. All right, maybe one layer of beige. I'm going to go again. I'm going to pour, excuse me, pour on top of it. See this here? See that the navy with the beige and the aqua through there? That's really pretty. But up here, it's just too bleh, too beige. All right, let's go again. Goodbye beigeness. I'm pouring in a bit of a square because it is a square. Puddle in the middle. That's nearly empty. I'll have to fill that up. Okay. I'll start with the beige. Usually the colour that's on the bottom and the colour that's on the top of your puddles is going to be most sort of dominant. Oh, don't run out yet. I haven't finished with you yet. Let me put you upside down in my pocket while I continue. Let's put some grey down. I don't even know where the grey went on that other one. I just thought grey would look pretty with it, hey? Now, is that the turquoise or is that the aqua? No, that's the aqua. Right, now just a little drizzle of the sand, hey? Make it thin, like a thin drizzle. How's that? A little bit more of the navy. Okay, let's see how that goes. Didn't blow very well on the side there. Look, it's my lacing's all elongated. Maybe I need to go back to my 3-to-1 cell activator, but I love the lacing with the 2-to-1 makes. It's so much prettier. All right, I'm just going to spin this before my paint moves too much. How's this one looking? Looks like I've got a big blob of navy in one area. Oh, that's the area that, yeah, look at that. I'm going to have to try and get all that off. That's going to be tricky to do. I can't just do one of these. Seriously, it takes me like 3 or 4 goes to get one that I like. Oh my gosh. I do like this one better than the previous one. See that you've got a little, just a little touch of that sand coming through. Just need to get a little bit of that navy off the end there. Look, I did it! I got a beachy colour scheme, finally! Oh my gosh, finally. Okay, that'll do. That will do. That is perfect. That is what I've been wanting. Oh my gosh. I guess it could have had a little bit more navy on it. Kind of lost the navy. There's a little bit showing up in the middle. But my last 2 were a bit too dark. Like I was going for this beachy theme, but they were really quite dark. So it's just trial and error, really. You know, you layer your paints differently and different amounts. And yep, now I'm happy with it. Oh, finally. Right, let me get you down for a close-up. These are really fun to do, and if you've got all your colours mixed and ready to go, doesn't take a lot of time. Look at that, 10 minutes. Woohoo! So I may even do another video in a minute. I was doing some blacks and golds like that a week or so ago. I didn't video them though because I was just practicing colours. I might do some of those for you. So there we go, nice and light and beachy. We've got some white coming through, we've got the sand coming through, different shades of the turquoise, little pop of navy just in the middle there, but that's okay. So it's, yeah, it's a more sort of a delicate, prettier sort of a painting, isn't it? Oh, there we go, it's gone more aqua. It's probably more of the correct colour. So there we go. Let's turn that light off. It's looking a bit, it's a bit glary. I've got pretty lacing right out to the corners, which is nice. So I'll clean up this one, clean up my mess, and we might go for some black and gold, eh? Because I have got a black box coming, so I would like to practice with the black and gold. Right, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed that one. Took me a little while, but I finally got there. Righto, thanks again for watching. I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.